Project Euler's problems, and let's start with problem number 1, which is multiples of 3 and 5. The problem is, if we list all the natural numbers below 10, then the multiples of 3 and 5 we get 3, 5, 6 and 9. The sum of these multiples is 23. Find the sum of all the multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. So now let's see the solution approach. Uh, this is very straightforward question, but if we segregate 3 and 5 separately, that is, if we check 3's multiples and if we check 5's multiples separately and then add them together, we'll have one problem which I'll show you right now. So 3's multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on, and 5's multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Now you can see that we have 15 here also and here also. So 15, 30, 45 and so on will be added more than once. So that is not the correct approach. What we can do is we can create one OR condition to have that condition checked once only. So our main condition will be, if x, here x is the number, is modulo 3 equal to 0, or x modulo 5 equal to 0, then we'll add that number to the sum. Otherwise we won't. So how this will avoid this 15 here is, it will go here, if it is divisible by 3, then it will add to the sum and it will move on. So only once it will take. Now coming to the code of this problem, we'll be solving this code in Python. I've also solved this code in Java. You can find that in the link below in the description box. So let's start. We initialize first the sum as 0, and we also set the limit, which is given as 1000, and we'll iterate through 1 to 1000, but since we are starting with 3, so let's iterate with 3 to 1000 for I x in range 3 to 1000. We have to keep it as below 1000, so 1000 is proper here, and we'll write the same condition that we discussed before, x mod 3 equal to 0, or x mod 5 equal to 0, then sum plus equal to x, and at the end we'll print the sum. So instead of writing 1000 right here, we can directly write the limit here, so it will be more generic. And first check for 16, because we have to see that if 15 one is incorporated here or not. So let's save it and let's run it. Python program 1.py. It gives 60. Now we all below 16, the multiples are 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12 and 15. So we already know this is 23 and this is 27. So 23 plus 10 plus 27 is 60. So this is the right answer. So now here again we'll change the limit to 1000 and run the program once again. We get answer as 233168. So that is the right answer. Now if you like this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. In the description box, you'll find the blog post where I've written the detailed explanation with code in Python along with Java. So be sure to check that out. And you can also follow us on any social media platforms. The link is also in the bio. I'll be sharing this OneNote notebook where I'll have full programs here after hitting the 1000 subs. So keep subscribing and thank you.